you beautiful people? Welcome to LAZADA's Tech, where we do tech in your life in style. I'm not gonna dilly-dally. In this video, our first look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. Let's take a closer look at this phone. So first off, I really like this nice little back here. It's nice and matte and you don't get smudges. At the bottom, you get your speaker grills, USB-C charging port, and you get a very minimal camera bump. On the right side, you get volume rockers and a power button. Up top, you get an audio port. So hooray for those who like wired listening, and that is also what I think is an IR blaster. And despite this being the base version for the Note 13 series, it doesn't look cheap, nor does it feel cheap. There's a good in-hand feel, and also that is a flat screen that goes with the flat back of this phone. So just a few things that excite me about the Redmi Note 13. First of all, that is a 108 megapixel main rear camera on this. This also features a flat AMOLED screen that can do 120 Hz. So again, that means smoother stuff on that screen. For those who do a lot of listening on their phone, those are Dolby Atmos speakers, and there's an audio jack on this phone. This thing is powered by a MediaTek 6080 and is IP rated at 54. And finally, that's a 5000 mAh battery, which should mean all-day battery, and it comes with a 33-watt charger brick. Now, the Redmi Note 13 also did launch with a bunch of other things, including a Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus, which I'll have a video on. I'll link it up here and down below. Of course, the Redmi Note 13 is a more affordable version of the two. One of the main differences being that the Redmi Note 13 features that 108 megapixel main camera, but the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus features a 200 megapixel main camera. This Redmi Note 13 also features a flat screen versus the curved display of the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus. Both AMOLED screens though. Also, there's a difference of processors used in the two phones. Both have 5000 mAh battery, but the Redmi Note 13 Pro Plus has 120-watt charging versus the 33 that we're getting on the Redmi Note 13. And here are the phones side by side, so you can see for yourself how different or the same they are. So let's do that quick camera tour. So under photos, you can do wide, 1x, 2x, 3x, and you can zoom up until 10x. You also get a host of different filters in this mode. Like, you have variety here, people. Now up top, you get even more settings. So from flash settings to HDR settings, AI to even grid settings and watermarking, they're all here. Now to your right, you get portrait, and of course you get the same thing. You get so many filters. You can change the blur from an aperture of 16 or 1, which is more blurred, and then you get night mode, and this allows you to zoom in up until 10x as well. Now under video, here you can shoot 720p or 1080p on this phone, and you can go from wide, 1x, 2x, up until 6x on video, and the same is true for 1080p. You can do wide, 1x, 2x, up until 6x as well. Now on video, you also get all the different filter options. There is a 108 megapixel mode, and this zooms in from 1x up until 2x. On the other side, you get a document scanner, which, as you guys know, I absolutely like this feature. It comes in very useful, and this allows you to zoom in up until 10x. And then under more, you get a host of different other features, like you get a pro mode, and that gives you so much freedom to shoot with this phone. You can switch around all the different camera settings. You can switch around and use all the different cameras as well. Now, time for some sample shots. And that was our first look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13. I know this isn't a pink, but I'm honestly living for this color. It's really giving me mermaid vibes. Anyway, that's it for today's video. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know what types of videos you'd want me to shoot with this phone. Of course, it's just our first look, so if you want to be seeing a camera vlog test or a social media test, comment down below. All details on pricing and availability, if I have it, it'll be down on the description box below. If you want to see how I use my tech on a daily basis, find me online. That's isadoes_ on Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. Till next time!